Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share my knowledge on promoting a business or brand digitally. Please do subscribe to my channel to get notified on my upcoming videos. In this video we will look on how to create a Facebook page for your business or brand. So here I have already logged into my Facebook account, and you see a plus sign here. I've taken my profile after logging into facebook.com. I have clicked my profile and you see a plus sign here. Click on this and click on page name. So I'm actually planning to create a page for a car rental company. So what I'm going to do is my car world. The category is I'll say car hire, and I'll add one more called cars and one more car dealership. Right. Description is I give good cars for rent. This is just a placeholder. You can the character limit is 255, so it's mentioned here. You can actually write a brief description of your company or yourself or for whom you're creating a page for, right? So here we'll click create page. So my car world is created. I'll add image. I'll go to my pages over here. I have a set of pages here. My car world is here, so I click that. So first what we'll do is we'll update the profile picture. Sorry, by clicking the camera icon here, we'll update the profile picture, edit profile picture here, and we are going to upload a photo. So that's a random photo from it's from Google. So add the logo here. If you want to write in description, you can write the description if you want to write. So I prefer not to write in description here, so I click save. The moment it's saved, you can see the logo, and your logo will be here in the timeline as well. And we will update a cover picture. We'll upload the photo there again. Then right, stop. Have a photo already saved. So this is just a dummy page which I'm creating. So I'm not going to use this page anyways. So you can drag and reposition the photo, the cover picture which you're adding it, right? And I click save changes. Now here, this is a very important thing, because this is where when a potential customer comes to your page and clicks this button, they can actually call you, or follow, book now, whatever you want. If you want to receive calls, you can click call. You can keep call now. If you want to receive WhatsApp messages or Messenger, this message, you send messages, it goes to your Messenger page inbox. Send WhatsApp message. For this you need to have a business WhatsApp business account, and you need to link it with your Facebook page and send email, whatever. So Here I'm keeping call now with yes, my country India, and 98765432210. So just a random number which I have kept now. So this is a call button. You can test your call button here by clicking the test button. So it gives takes you to call thing from your mobile. If you click this call button from your mobile, it takes you to the dialer. So here I'm going to create a username. It's a custom username. It will be like facebook.com/mycarworld. Here you can see some number 10526, all this. So I'm going to remove this number and my hyphen. So my username will be @mycarworld, or else I'll see my cars world. So you need to check if this username is available. You'll get this username only when it is available. So for instance, I'll do one thing. I'll my car world India. So that's available. So I've given my car world India. So that's done. And the basic part of your page is done. So after this, what we are going to do is we will enter these about section. We will edit this about section, uh, the page. So we'll click edit page info. Okay, this is what we gave when we created the page in the beginning. Send contact. Phone number is I am giving India, the same phone number like 98765432210, and email ID is test@testing.com. Website is tester.com. So these are the dummy number and placeholder email ID. You need to give your own mail ID, a good contact number, and a website if you have one. So location you can add your location, city, pin code, and if you want to drag and drop this pin, because if suppose you don't get your address in the map, so you can drag and drop the pin there. So I'll just write this my page doesn't have a location. So if you want to know how to add the location, please do comment. I'll personally tell you how to add location in your Facebook page, or how to edit the location in your Facebook page if you already have one. And then hours, you can mark it as always open during selected hours, and then you need to give your opening timing. So I'm so these are the timing. It's military time, so I'll keep it as always open, because most of your if you keep it always open, it's actually an advantage if you keep it always open, because mostly people they don't come directly to your location, but then instead they call you and fix an appointment before they come to your location. So anyway, you can keep it always open if at all you wish to. And temporary service changes, operating as usual, because of this pandemic they have added a new option, right? So COVID-19, um, I don't think this tab will be for long here, because this tab they have kept it because of the pandemic time. So once this is over, I don't think this COVID-19, for your information, will no longer available here. So we'll keep extra support if it will be needed, or else you can choose not to show any updates there. And privacy policy, so if you have any privacy policy you can add it there. So I will mention it as https slash tester.com/privacy. Impression, this is an optional field um, for in certain countries where they have mentioned it here. In Austria, Germany and Switzerland, business uh, by law they are required to mention their statement of ownership for the web presence. So this is an optional field. If at all you want to fill it with you can fill it with you don't have to specifically fill it with the ownership statement, rather you can fill it with the your about section if you want to add it, or else you can leave it blank. And products, since it's a car company, I have cars, I have tires, um, alloys, and extra anything at all associated to car. And additional information, if you want to add any additional information to your page, like it could be your services, not your services, it could be anything, like we deal in all sports car above um, 5 million, or about 50 uh, yeah, 50 lakhs, oh, right. So price range, you can either keep it unspecified, or you can either mention your the price range here. So I'll keep it as expensive. So other account, if you have an Instagram account, you can add the Instagram account username here, and Instagram or anything. And if you have Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, so if at all you have anything, you can add it there, right? So I think that's it's done. So we have add everything over here. Privacy policy, page transparency, it's all done. So we'll view it as visitor. So this is how a typical visitor sees your page. So your logo comes here, your company name, your username, and the category which we chose, the cover picture, the CTA button, that is call to action button, and like the page, message you, right? And this is the about us section on the timeline. So this is how your your users actually see the page here. So that's it. If you have any clarifications, or if you want any other assistance, like now how to edit how to edit these tabs, which I'll be putting in my forthcoming videos, how to add tabs, or how to edit these tabs, how to add a shop to your how to add shop to your Facebook tab services, how to add your services here. I'll be putting that in forthcoming videos. So if you have, apart from this, if you have any other doubt in this video, please do comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video, and if you feel that if it is of useful to you, please click the like button, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified for the forthcoming videos. Thank you.